Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. These are essential for safely opening your laptop and replacing the LCD cover. First, power off your Acer Aspire laptop and unplug it from any power source. It's crucial to disconnect the battery as well. Locate the battery release latch, usually found on the bottom of the laptop. Slide the latch to the unlock position and gently remove the battery. Next, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the back panel. Keep these screws organized, as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, use a plastic spudger to carefully pry open the back panel. Take your time to avoid damaging any clips. With the back panel removed, locate the screws that hold the LCD cover in place. There are typically 4 screws along the edges of the LCD. Remove these screws using your Phillips screwdriver. As a reminder, if you don't have the right tools, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation and can assist you with the repair process. Now, gently lift the LCD cover away from the screen. Be cautious of any cables attached to the screen, you may need to disconnect them carefully. If you're unsure about handling these cables, remember our service includes pickup and delivery at your home, ensuring you don't have to worry about transportation. Once the old LCD cover is removed, take this opportunity to clean the area around the LCD screen. Use a microfiber cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help ensure a clean fit for the new cover. Next, take your new LCD cover and align it with the screen. Make sure any connectors are lined up correctly. Start by securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Tighten each screw gently to ensure a snug fit without over-tightening, which could damage the cover. After securing the LCD cover, reconnect any cables that were previously detached. Ensure they are firmly in place to avoid any display issues later on. If this seems daunting, keep in mind that we provide a quote before repair, allowing you to know the costs upfront without surprise charges. Finally, replace the back panel of the laptop. Align it carefully and press down until it clicks back into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, securing the back panel firmly. Once everything is back together, reinsert the battery, plug in your laptop, and power it on. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the LCD cover on your Acer Aspire laptop. If you encounter any issues or prefer a professional touch, don't hesitate to reach out for our services. We ensure no calls, no travel, making your repair experience as smooth as possible. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.